chain rule. If y is a function of u defined by y is equal to f of u, and u is a function of x defined by u is equal to g of x, then y is a function of x and dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Now let us look into a problem related to this. Given y is equal to sine of x squared plus 5. Now let us take u to be equal to x squared plus 5. So differentiating this with respect to x, we get dy by du by dx is equal to 2x. Now the function becomes y is equal to sine u. Differentiating y with respect to u, we get dy by du is equal to cos u. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx, which is nothing but 2x into cos u. Cos u. Now substituting back for x, now substituting back for u, you get dy by dx is equal to 2x into cos of x squared plus 5. This rule can be extended up to more functions also. So let us now look into a problem related to that. Given y is equal to log of cos e to the power of x. Now let me take u as e to the power of x. So du by dx is equal to e to the power of x. So let v be equal to cos u. Now differentiating with respect to u, you get dv by du is equal to minus sine u. So y is equal to log v. So dy by dv, differentiating with respect to v, we get 1 by v. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dv into dv by du into du by dx. Now substituting the values, we get dy by dv is 1 by v into minus sine u into e to the power of x. Now substituting for v and u, we get 1 by v is 1 by cos u. It is cos u is e to the power of x. So 1 by cos of e to the power of x into minus sine of e to the power of x into e to the power of x. But sine by cos is nothing but tan. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus e to the power of x tan x.